Guys, did you know there's research conducted by YouGov that noted 66% of Indonesian adults threw away at least one of their clothes, and 25% threw away more than 10 of their clothes in only one single year. I can't find my snipping tool. I need a storage organizer. Aha! Eureka! Hi there, my name is Naila Anindita Daruhito, but you can just call me Naila for short. I am a student from Tumbu High School. So, after a pretty long thought process, I finally decided what to make. I will be making a sewing or a storage bag for when you're on the go and need some storage. So why did I want to make this, you ask? You know when you're on a journey and you're just too lazy to look through your entire bag to look for that one object? For example, a roll of thread or a needle to fix your clothes on the go? Because as a person who likes to sew, this happens to me quite often. So I wanted to make this so I wouldn't have that problem anymore. So without further ado, let's begin. Here are the tools and items that you will need to make this. First is a book you don't read or an unused book cover. Second is some unwanted cloth or just some old t-shirts that you don't use anymore. Third, you will need some cardboard. You will also need carton. And then you need scissors as well as glue. And for sewing it, you could just use some thread and some needles. Or if you have a sewing machine, you can use your sewing machine as I'm doing. So now I will be showing you how to make it. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to do is take out the pages of your unused book. Next, using the piece of cardboard that you have, cut it into the shape of a handle, making sure that you cut 2 holes on the bottom just like this. Now, cut a strip of cloth and fit it into the hole that you made in the handle. After you finish putting the cloth into the holes, glue it onto the book cover just like this. Now, put this aside to let it dry for a moment. While that's drying, let's make the inside. Before you make it, you need to make a design first. I've already made a design. This is mine. It has 3 parts to it, which is the big pouch, the elastic in the middle to hold threads, and 2 holders on the other side. And since I want my base color to be green, I will start off by gluing some green cloth onto my base, which is some carton. So, since I have 3 parts, I'm going to start off with making the big pouch first. And here, I'll show you how to do it. Now, for holding the threads in the middle, I will put a few pieces of stretchy fabric in the middle, just like this one. Lastly, for the 2 holders, cut another pouch like this and just sew it on and sew some lines in between so that the tools don't slip amongst each other. Okay, now that we've made both parts, it's time to glue it together, making sure that it covers the strip of cloth that you used to glue the handles on. Glue it just like how I'm doing here. And look! Now we're finished and have a gorgeous sewing or storage bag. I hope that this inspired you guys to recycle and not make as much trash. That's all from me, and I hope to see you guys again. Goodbye!